If you have received an attachment in document format, let's say for example in PDF, then what you can also do is you can go around and annotate out the attachments right within Thunderbird. So to do that, let me just go around and then filter out an email that I have. So let's just go around onto inbox, and then I'm going to filter out using the attachment right here. So you can see that I have this report right here in PDF format, just like this. And this is what you have. If I were to click on this, then it simply opens it up in another tab right here within Thunderbird itself, and which is essentially a PDF viewer. You can go around over here on the left hand side and see the pages right here just like this as well. And apart from that, on the right hand side, you can see that you got the highlighter right here, which allows you to go around and highlight out the colors right here just like this. You can change around the thickness of the highlight just like this right here over here as well, and put it wherever I want. You can go around and choose around the color that you want as well. So apart from that, you also have the text tool right here, so you can go around and type in text wherever you want, and you can change around the size as well. Apart from that, you can also go around and draw around right here just like this. So you can go around and draw and change around the thickness and the opacity level as well. Apart from that, you can go around and add and edit out images as well. So let's say for example, you can go ahead right here onto your YouTube drive, let's say for example, and if I were to go around over here and select this particular picture, I can go around and add an image as well. And you even have the print option right here, which allows you to go around and print out the annotated documents as well. So apart from that, you can see that I can go around and save this as well, just like this, as a PDF format. So I'm just going to go around over here and save this out on my YouTube drive, let's say for example, and save it out. And I'm not going to replace it, but I'm just going to go around and say annotated right here. And I'm going to hit the save button. So apart from that, you got different tools, as you can see right here, to actually see navigate around the PDF document as well. And that is how you can annotate out attachments directly and view the attachments directly, which are in PDF format inside of Thunderbird. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.